Inspired by India and designed in Japan, the all-new Nissan Magnite is here to ignite your charisma. Its bold stance and strong road presence make it simply irresistible. Behind its impeccable Japanese design is the philosophy of kabuki, drawing inspiration from a pioneering attitude that is uniquely Indian. The full LED front commands attention. Its sleek headlamps make it look impactful, combined with signature LED DRLs, LED fog lamps and lightsaber-style LED turn indicators give you that alluring look and a stylish impression on the road. The large front grille with full chrome surround gives it a robust and confident look. Its unique appeal comes from the exquisite high chromatic flare garnet red paint that shines through everything else. Exuberance is in its DNA, based on the philosophy of Inase, which derives vibrancy from the Indian way of life. Rooted to the traditional Japanese design approach, the Nissan Magnite has been sculpted to have a solid body and dynamic appeal that makes it stand out among other SUVs on the road. The wide split signature tail lamps are expressive and leave a lasting impression as you zip through the crowd. Sporty rear spoiler with an embedded high-mounted stop lamp creates a striking look. The roof rails are not just stylish but are also functional with a load carrying capacity of 50 kilos. But what makes it truly desirable is its SUV stance and drivability, with a high ground clearance that's among the best in its class. 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and square wheel arches always keep you ready to conquer any road. The premium finish on the chrome beltline and the silver cladding on the door make it look sharp and masculine. Loaded with 336 liters of boot space, there's always space for more in the all-new Nissan Magnite. The 60-40 split seats on the rear extends the boot space by up to 690 liters. Based on the philosophy of Sui, each element of the Nissan Magnite translates into purity of purpose and shape. On the inside, the Nissan Magnite's plush interiors, comfortable height-adjustable seats and optimum riding position lets you command any road with best-in-class space, comfort and visibility. This SUV comes with a wide and spacious feel. The air conditioning vents have a distinctive shape and cliff section which looks sporty and enhances the SUV feeling. Ample space between the seats, soft touch fabric on the center armrest and ample headroom make for a more than comfortable drive. The driver-focused cockpit is designed to deliver a superior driving experience. Intuitively designed, the interface and information cluster and the center stack are well thought of for better accessibility without you having to take your eyes off the road. 7-inch driver assist display provides a wealth of information with interactive graphics and engaging animation that can be accessed comfortably through the steering-mounted controls. Cruise control makes your long highway drives into a pleasurable journey. The full-flush 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system lets you groove to your tunes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through seamless wireless connectivity, while your phone can be charged over its wireless charging pad. The round view monitor gives you a 360-degree bird's-eye view of the surroundings using its intelligent 4-camera system. Stay connected with your Nissan Magnite 24/7 with Nissan Connect that comes with 50+ safety and convenience features and smartwatch connectivity. Based on the WOW philosophy, its interiors are well-balanced and hospitable, leading to ample storage spaces with a large glove box, center console and bottle holders, and AC vents for the rear passengers. When it comes to experience, Nissan Magnite can be customized to include high-end speakers from JBL and ambient mood lighting sure to make you feel like a rock star. But the true feeling of charisma lies within. The turbocharged engine delivers sporty and exhilarating drive and high fuel efficiency with its advanced mirror bore coating technology borrowed from the legendary Nissan GT-R. Gear up for a smooth and comfortable drive with its first-in-segment advanced Xtronic CVT that makes cruising through traffic effortless. And because safety always boosts confidence, the Nissan Magnite comes with enhanced safety systems to improve stability and control. Equipped with vehicle dynamic control and traction control system, you can take complete control over slippery or tougher roads. While Hill Start Assist lets you stay upright on any slope without the fear of rolling back. Structured with high strength and impact absorbing body combined with dual front airbags to ensure absolute safety for the driver and the front passenger. Enhanced shock absorption and handling for a comfortable and smooth driving experience on any kind of road. Large 16-inch wheels with 195 mm tires come with tire pressure monitoring system and a turning radius that is best in the segment. Everything about the Nissan Magnite is designed to elevate the experience of every Indian consumer. With the brilliance that comes with Japanese craftsmanship, it's truly an icon inspired by India and designed in Japan. So, make way for the big, bold and the beautiful Nissan Magnite.